Universities of today have really degenerated into these anti-tradition, anti-nature, anti-God institutions where, quote, free speech and free thought are sort of propped up as these apparent ideals. But in actual practice, these institutions are just highly intolerant postmodern echo chambers. Muslim students who enter these institutions, they often feel a strong sense of inadequacy and even alienation. If a young man or woman completes the undergraduate program here at Zaytuna and earns a bachelor's degree in liberal arts and Islamic studies, that graduate will be an absolute force to be reckoned with. The liberal arts make you a better lawyer or doctor or whatever. The liberal arts are tools that really help you realize your full potential. The liberal arts are grammar, logic, and rhetoric. The word liberal actually comes from the Latin for freedom. So these are the freeing tools, grammar, logic, and rhetoric. These are tools that free our minds. The most influential people in history were masters of these tools. These really teach us how to write properly, how to think properly, and how to be persuasive. The goal is really to achieve excellence, ihsan, in reading, in writing, in speaking, and in reasoning. The Prophet ﷺ said, "Inna Allah kataba al-ihsana ala kulli shay," that God, exalted as He, has prescribed excellence in all things. This striving toward ihsan is at the heart of Zaytuna's mission, and we want our graduates, these muhsineen, to go out into the world and extend that excellence to the broader community. Zaytuna College is not a seminary. We are a liberal arts college. At Zaytuna, we teach the Islamic and Western traditions. Our students really inherit the timeless or evergreen texts of both intellectual traditions. Our students engage in Ghazali and Aquinas, Aristotle and Ibn Sina. All of this is buoyed by the liberal arts. Students really have a very strong foundation in the liberal arts when they go out into the world. Those tools of learning that they took from this college, inshallah, they're going to remain with them forever, and they can integrate that in every aspect of their lives by becoming more effective communicators, by becoming leaders, by becoming people that realize their full potential as human beings within their families and within the greater community.